Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. So, muscle. Really relaxed muscle. Lack of exercise. Muscle. Extremely relaxed muscle. Push right through. Over here. There's like boing. Okay. The next muscle. Flexed, extended muscle at knee is femoral muscle, so this is a quadricep. Okay. Same. So, muscle flex. And it goes right. Yeah, you've been really laid back and relaxed. The problem is in here. Knee joint was hyperflexed. The heel came, but on the side. Came next to the femur, not behind the femur. So that was your joint was hyperextended, hyperflexed. The joint was hyperflexed. There's a sprain on the medial collateral ligament, maybe some anterior collateral also. So compound ligament sprain. Really unstable knee, hence. Okay, so 3 years of rehab, bullshit rehab. Bull, I'm a Taurus. And from the shit comes mushrooms, psychedelic ones. 3 weeks ago, again, knee. Did more than a 90-degree bend. More than 90. That's like a 80-degree angle. Obviously, it was almost a 180, the knee. Instead of the heel touching the buttocks, the heel came adjacent to the hip out here. So very, very dramatic MCL sprain. Oh yeah, it's not a tear, although very painful. So again, immediate inflammation, very unstable knee joint. I purposely relaxed far into it, very much relaxed. Not a lot of walking, not a lot of needing to use these quadriceps. I have immediate degeneration, that's me, but though I'm thinking the muscle degenerates quickly and gets substituted by fat, and I believe muscle memory, we reacted as if we know what's going on. If there is that synovial blood collection at the new joint capsule, I'm trying to get the feeling that it's easier to get the inflammation fluids to seep back into the viscera area, back into the kidneys and liver, whatever it goes to. It's easier for that fluid to traverse. And it's not to the ab, back into the core, So I'm doing a lot of knuckles, two-handedly. Here, though, I'm thinking it's good to flex. The uncomfortness is from the inflammation pushing and indirectly the nerve that traverses down. So that's tender. That nerve is still like, ah, but it's not a traumatic hit. It's just an uncomfortable nerve stimulus. Mind control, tell yourself it's not a traumatic nerve stimulus. It's just a puffy knee, touching a nerve. But since, the body's like, ah, don't touch. What if it's... So, I'm putting up a little bit of lotion. Compliments of the cannabis dog. Canubis. The cannabis. Canubis. Lotioning up the hands and double knuckling. Scraping. Down, 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 down. Oh. Down, 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 down. And look, there's this. So there's a little, creating the negative pressure at the knee joint, separating the tibia, fibula from the femur, creating that negative pressure you would get when you crack a knuckle. So the synovial fluid. Thank you, John Bergman. Thank you, Robert Morris. And dude from Lifting the Veil. Working against the gravity, electrical magnetic force, So letting the fluid seep down, creating negative pressure. So I'm hoping, that's good. I know it is. And what now? Goodbye.